Hello everyone, how are you all? Good evening. Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform, Unacademy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. So hello my dear scholars, I'm G. Vijay Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I'm here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manuvedam 7472. Here it is a super short introduction about me. As I like to inspire students to set their goals and achieve that, I have mentored many students for NTSC and CBSE board examinations. So crack all the CBSE exams with us, all the top educators where they are teaching. That is only the plus subscription where you can access unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. इंडिया के जितने भी बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स है सारे आपको इसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिलेंगे एंड यू आर गोइंग टू हैव अ ग्रेट लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस रियली. सो जितने भी टॉप एजुकेटर्स है आप उनसे पढ़ सकते हो. डेली लाइव क्लासेस चलते हैं, लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विज़ेस चलते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज, अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस. सो ये जो डेली लाइव क्लासेस होते हैं, यू कैन चैट विद योर एजुकेटर्स, यू कैन एंगेज इन द डिस्कशंस एवरीथिंग व्हाइल द क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन. जिनसे चाहे मल्टीपल एजुकेटर्स आर देयर, मल्टीपल एजुकेटर्स आर देयर, आप जिनसे चाहे आप उनसे पढ़ सकते हो. Okay, so I am taking the special classes. So here are the so many special classes I am taking. So here also I am taking in the special class also 1000 PYQs of NTSC. So here I am discussing complete science, physics, chemistry and biology, and math also we are doing. After every 3-4 days we are doing math. Okay, so mental ability test also. So I am covering everything in this 1 hour. Okay, so in YouTube also I am conducting this 1000 PYQs. That is only for physics, 1000 only for physics questions of different states. Okay, different states. Okay, so next, so here is the subscription. So VMCBSE is my code. When you are using my code, you will get a 10% of reduction. Iconic subscription also we have 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 18 months also there here, 36 months. So these are very good options. When you go for it, you will understand best of the best experience and very low cost, economically friendly. बस 800 रुपीज़ में आपके सारे सब्जेक्ट्स की पढ़ाई हो जाएगी. With one subscription you can go for unlimited times of recorded courses, live and recorded आप पढ़ सकते हो. Okay, so we are in touch with Telegram app also. Quest and CBSE is our channel, so where you will get all the updates. Unacademy learning app आपको install करना है. You all go to my profile and follow me there. Go to my profile, follow me there and give me hats. Hats are the dedication which you give for us. So go to my profile, follow me there, you will get all the notifications. When you follow you will get all the notifications. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या करना है, अनअकैडमी इंस्टॉल करना है ऐप. उसके बाद गोल फॉर सीबीएसई क्लास 10 करना है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप है सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना का. वहाँ पे रेफरल कोड मांगा जाएगा, वीएम सीबीएसई डाल देना. दिस इज द रेफरल कोड. ओके, और अपनी हैप्पी लर्निंग शुरू करो और ओवरऑल A1 लेके आओ. ओके, दैट इज ओनली द गोल फॉर एवरीवन. नो, सो एवरीडे आईपीएल गोल सीबीएसई 2021 डिटेल फिजिक्स फॉर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस विद एनसीईआरटी. ओके, सो कल तक हमने ये एवरीडे 9 PM को होता है. तो कल तक हमने लाइट चैप्टर पढ़ा था इन डिटेल अलॉन्ग विथ एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइजेस. सो आज से हम क्या स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ करंट. बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछ रहे थे मैडम एक बार फिर से पढ़ा दीजिए. तो मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ करंट इज आवर टॉपिक. सो बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, by the end of these classes, so it will go around 8 sessions along with all the NCERT exercises we will do. So you can understand the magnetic field and magnetic field lines. So we will explain about the magnetic effects due to the current carrying conductors, straight conductors, circular loops, everything we will discuss. Magnetic induction we will discuss. And actually the topic here, it is their left hand rule and right hand rule, but it was deleted. But as in the revised syllabus that was not included. Already I have explained about Fleming's left hand rule and right hand rule, AC DC generators and all. So if anyone want to learn, you can just go for that. In the previous lectures you can find. but here I am going to cover based on the NCERT, based on the CBSE, whichever the 30% syllabus it was removed. Okay, only the it is for only for examination purpose which I am taking the classes. So complete topics related to the examination whichever are there, those only we are going to discuss. Okay, so मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ करंट है हमारा टॉपिक आज का. इसमें हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो व्हाट इज अ मैग्नेट? व्हाट इज अ मैग्नेट एक बार बता दो जल्दी जल्दी. So substance which attracts small pieces of iron and points in north and south direction when it is freely suspended. A small piece of magnet if you take, what it will do? Normally in your primary classes you might have learned, if you take a small bar magnet, it has two poles, north pole and south pole. Okay, the electric current flowing through a conductor produces a magnetic field. These all things also we are going to learn. What are the properties of magnet, that I am going to tell you first now. So a substance which attracts small pieces of iron pieces, if I keep near to this, so it will attract. Okay, it will attract iron and points it north and south direction when it is freely suspended. So that piece of that small bar piece is called as a magnet. Okay, if you take a small piece of that substance which attracts small pieces of iron, and as well as when you just align it freely suspended, if you leave, so it will show a north direction and the south direction. That is only called as a magnet. So naturally occurring iron ore which is called as lodestone or magnetite, this behaves as a magnet. So this lodestone or magnetite behaves like a magnet, but it is a very weak magnet. So the one we see are made up of made from them is artificial way and permanent and strong magnet. Artificially we make this, whatever in the science lab we find no small bar magnets, U-shaped magnet, different shapes of magnets whichever we find, those all are artificially made, a permanent and a strong ones. Okay, they acts as a magnet. So what are the properties of this magnet? It has two poles, north pole and south pole. Always like poles will repel, north will repel. Okay, south will repel south. Okay, unlike poles, sorry, habit. It will repel here, south will repel south. Okay, if I keep north pole and south pole, it will attract. Okay, what it means, like poles will repel and unlike poles will attract, and they always exist in two poles only, in a pair of poles only they exist. So what is the another, repulsion is the only sure test for magnet. If I have kept north pole, so they'll repel. Okay, so this repulsion only tells which pole it is. Okay, if you take two magnets you have kept, if they are repelling each other, it means they are of same poles. If they are attracting each other and they stick to each other, it means they are unlike poles. Okay, so that is those are the properties of the magnets. What are the properties of the magnets? If you see, two poles it has, north pole and south pole. North pole and south pole, here also north pole and south pole it has. So like poles will repel each other and unlike poles will attract each other. They always exist in poles. So repulsion is the sure test. If you bring a north pole near to the north pole, what it will do? Repel. If I bring a south pole near to the south pole, they'll attract each other or not? Unlike poles will attract and like poles will repel. So what is this magnetic field? Today I am going to teach you about the magnetic field and magnetic field lines, as I said, no? So Already in the previous chapter we have discussed about heating effect of current. So there are three effects of current, as I already told in the uh, electricity chapter when we have discussed. There we have seen there are three effects of electricity. What is the first one? Is chemical effect. Chemical effect is nothing but electrolysis. Okay. Next one is heating effect. Heating effect. And the third one is magnetic effect, which we are reading. Okay. Magnetic effects of current. So here in the magnetic field, so we in the magnet we are speaking about the magnetic field. The electric current, so not this. The electric current flowing through a conductor produces a magnetic effect. Okay. So electric current can produce the magnetism. So these all things we are going to learn. Before going to that, we must understand what are these magnetic field lines. So the region which is around a magnet where the force of attraction or repulsion can be detected is called as magnetic field. So small piece of bar magnet you take, okay, and iron filings, iron powder, if you just sprinkle and just you move, you will find like these lines. You will find like these lines. You will find more. Okay, like this you will find. Okay, so here the region around a magnet where the force of attraction or repulsion can be detected is called as magnetic field. Okay, so magnetic field around a magnet can be detected by using a magnetic compass. If you keep a magnetic compass around it near the magnet, if you keep a magnetic compass, it will show the direction right from north pole to south pole. It will show the direction from north pole to south pole. Inside the magnet it is from south pole to north pole. Okay, so if you keep the compass, you can find they'll show just they'll align completely like this. Like this, if you keep the magnetic compass near to that, it will show that complete direction. It will show. Okay, it will show this complete direction. So what is this magnetic field? Magnetic field किसको बोलते हैं? The region around a magnet where the force of attraction or repulsion can be detected. Okay, so around a magnet, the region where the force of attraction or repulsion can be detected, that is only called as magnetic field. So magnetic field around a magnet can be detected by using the magnetic compass. If you bring compass near to that, you can detect the magnetic field. Okay. So here magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. How this magnetic field is created? So for that, small story is there. Small story also there. So before going to deeper into that, let us tell the properties of the bar magnet. What are the properties of the bar magnet? Right. So what are the properties of what are the properties of bar magnet? A freely suspended magnet always shows north and south direction. Okay. It has two poles. Okay, the end of the freely suspended. What are the two poles? North pole and south pole. The end of the freely suspended magnet that points toward the geographical north is called as geographical geographical north is called as north pole. The other one is called as south pole. So like poles will repel and unlike poles will attract. Unlike will attract. Okay, so here magnetic fields is an abstract entity that describes the influence of the magnetic force in a region, and a magnetic field lines are a visual tool used to represent the magnetic field lines. So you can show this with these lines. Let me show you. Okay, inside it is from south to north, outside it is from north to south. Okay, you will find both the sides. Sorry. They won't intersect. Here I am not able to draw on this. Okay, so this, the space around the magnet where its influence can be felt is called as magnetic field. The space around the magnet with where it can be experienced. So magnetic, the strength of magnetic field is a quantity that is expressed both the magnitude and direction. It has both magnetic field. The space around the magnet where it influences can be felt is called as magnetic field. So the strength of the magnetic field is a quantity which has magnitude as well as direction. So which type of quantity it is? Obviously vector quantity. Okay. What is the SI unit of it? SI unit is very good. Tesla, which can be written as T. Okay, T means Tesla. It is a derived quantity. Okay, so the relative strength of the magnetic field is determined by the degrees of closeness of the magnetic field lines. As greater the number of magnetic field lines in a unit space, okay, more the strength of the magnetic field. So how many lines it will, more lines if it is go here, you can see in this picture. So here the magnetic strength is more, here the magnetic strength is more, means at poles magnetic field strength is more. Okay, greater the distance, lesser the strength of the magnetic field. Greater the distance, here they are very close. From here if you see, these are the also magnetic field lines of that only. Here is the magnet and here is the magnetic field line. So greater the distance, lesser the strength of the magnetic field. Greater the distance, lesser the strength of मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके, ये पॉइंट याद रखो. ये सारे मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन आल्सो इट हैज. इट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. द एसआई यूनिट इज टेस्ला. ग्रेटर द डिस्टेंस, लेसर द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. Okay, so magnetic field lines around a bar magnet can be obtained by tracing the magnetic compass. If you keep the magnetic compass around this, you can find it. Okay, next wala. So we want to know whether this magnetic field is produced or not when it is passing through, when the current is passing through that. So what are the final characteristics? Tomorrow we will discuss. Already we have discussed that magnetic field lines which is starting from north pole to south pole, everything. So before going to this magnetic field due to the current carrying conductor, let me understand this magnetic flux. magnetic flux. What is magnetic flux? The total number of magnetic field lines. Suppose it is a bar magnet. Okay, so total number of lines passing through a given area. If I have taken this is the small area. So how many magnetic field lines are passing through that? Okay, so the total number of magnetic field lines passing through given area is called magnetic flux. Total number of magnetic field lines passing through given area is called magnetic flux. Okay, so the SI unit of magnetic flux is Weber. What is the SI unit of magnetic flux? It is Weber WB. So magnetic flux per unit area is called as magnetic flux density. So magnetic flux which is passing through per unit area is called as magnetic flux density or magnetic induction. Okay, about that in detail we'll learn in the further classes. So the SI unit of the SI unit is measured in Weber per square or Tesla. Okay, Weber per square meter. What is it called as? Tesla is also called as Weber per square meter. Okay, Tesla is also written as Weber per square meter because it is the magnetic flux which is passing through a certain area where all the lines are parallel. Okay, where the magnetic field lines you will find as parallel. Okay, so magnetic field due to current carrying conductor, that is our agenda now. So if we see, if a magnetic compass is placed near to the conductor carrying current, the needle is deflected. This shows that the current carrying conductor has a magnetic field. So that was first experienced by Hans Christian Ørsted. So what he is doing, as he is a physicist, he is conducting with all the so many materials he has kept on the table and he is doing some experiments. So he found that when the circuit is on, switch on किया तो circuit क्या हो जाता है, close हो जाता है, the current start moving. So when the charges have started moving, he found a compass in front of that area which started deflecting. So here you can see in the diagram. Okay, here you can see from the current wire when it is moving it is deflecting. So then he has understood, then he said that yes, current and magnet, some relation is there. Okay, so he has played a very crucial role in understanding the electromagnetism. ये कब की बात है? 1820. In 1820 he accidentally discovered the compass needle got deflected when an electric current passed through the metallic wire placed nearby. Through this observation, Ørsted showed that electricity and magnetism are related phenomena. Electricity and magnetism are related. That is only called as electromagnetism. Okay, so his research later created technologies such as radio, television, fiber optics. So these all works on the same principle. So the unit of magnetic field strength is named after the name of his honor, that is Ørsted. Okay, Ørsted बोला गया इसको इनको क्योंकि a Danish scientist, he is a Danish scientist, he has conducted he is conducting some other experiment and he found suddenly accidentally about the magnetism. So the relation of these two is called as electromagnetism. What is it called as? Electromagnetism. Okay, so his research later developed so many appliances, so many things. Okay, so magnetic field is the quantity that has both direction and magnitude. Notes के लिए आप ये सारे screenshots ले सकते हैं. The direction of the magnetic field is taken to be the direction at which the north pole of the compass needle moves inside it. तो देखो कैसे move होता है पूरा magnetic field. So the magnetic field lines are the closed curves. The relative strength of the magnetic field is shown by the degree of closeness of the magnetic field lines. Okay, so the field is stronger, that is the force acting on the pole of another magnet placed is greater where the magnetic field lines are crowded. So no two field lines will intersect as are found to cross each other. If they did, it would mean some other magnetic field also created in some other direction. It would mean at the point of intersection the compass needle would point towards two directions, which is not possible. So magnetic compass अगर रखो तो यहीं पे दिखाएगा. If the magnetic compass would not towards two directions, which is not possible, it can't show with the two directions. If the magnetic field lines are created and showing some other, means very far away some other magnetic field also there, it means. Okay, so the point of intersection, the compass needle if you keep, it is not possible to detect two different magnetic fields, as our earth is a very big magnet. Okay, so एक बार बता देते हैं characteristics of magnetic field lines. So the direction of field lines is from south pole to north pole. So the magnetic field lines are very closed curves. So no two field lines are found to cross each other. If they did, it would mean that at the point of intersection, the compass would point towards two directions, which is not possible. So that is called as magnetic field lines, which is not possible. Okay. So Oersted has conducted this experiment. So now come to this. Okay, I'll clear this. So magnetic compass is placed, current and magnetism, some relation he said. No, how it is that we are going to discuss. If the direction of current is from north to south, the deflection of the magnetic field is towards the east. Towards the east. Dekho. If the direction of current is from direction of current is from north to south. If it is from north to south, नीचे आ रहा है. Okay, the deflection of magnetic needle is towards east. Here you can see. This is the this is the current if it is passing from north to south. So the deflection of the magnetic needle is towards the east. Okay. Current is from north to south. So the compass deflection is towards east. Okay. So if the direction of the current is from south to north, okay, I is from south to north. Okay, the deflection of magnetic field is towards west. It is towards compass deflection is towards west. Okay, so the magnetic fields around the current carrying straight conductor is the concentric circles. So if you see this, okay, if you see this, if a wire is current is passing like this, so how this west and east, as I am telling, it means it is showing the concentric circles, magnetic field lines. यही वाला क्वेश्चन कल सीबीएसई ने पूछा था ना, सैम्पल पेपर में 1 मार्क में दिया गया था. So how it will be? By concentric circles. The magnetic field around the current carrying straight conductor is in concentric circles. It can be observed by passing the current through a straight conductor by sprinkling the iron filings on the cardboard. On a cardboard we will sprinkle few iron filings, and the current wire is The hole must be there through which the current wire should pass, and it must be a closed circuit. When it is a complete closed circuit means switch is on. So what we can observe, we can observe that so many lines were forming, concentric circles are forming around that conducting wire. It means that current is showing with the magnetic field. Current and magnetic field has the relation. So it can be observed by passing a current carrying straight conductor through a cardboard and sprinkling iron filings. So this we can observe. So here this is the experiment which Oersted has conducted, where he found this electricity and magnetism relation, where he found that relation. So he Oersted was intrigued by experiments and theories about the laws of nature. Who is the scientist? Hans Christian Oersted. He has conducted the experiments. Okay, so Oersted, the discovery of electromagnetism, the discovery of electromagnetism provided the basis of the production of electricity, which led to the development of technology based world. Okay, so his works are really appreciable. Due to him only the technology, whatever we are using, this computers, phones, smartphones, everything. So much of technology due after this only, the invention of radios and all. So everything, magnets are using. So many uses of magnets also there. Those all uses, the relation between the electricity and magnetism, these all were come into existence only after the discovery of magnetism, the relation of after the discovery of the relation of electricity and magnetism. So that was with the compass, when it shown the deflection he found. So hope you have understood this. So tomorrow onwards it will be little different manner. The chapter will be few stimulations I'll show. You track your progress. आज जितना भी पढ़ा, कल मैक्सवेल के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस around the straight current carrying conductor or the circular loop. These all things we will learn tomorrow. Okay, कल ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करो, शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. बहुत सारे बच्चे ये चैप्टर के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. Once I started, so later on I'll prepare the playlist and I'll give you. Okay, so the field is stronger. Where the field is stronger? Where the magnetic field lines were originated, that is from North Pole and South Pole. So the direction of field lines is always from South Pole to North Pole, thus magnetic field lines are closed curves. So no field lines are found to cross each other. If they did, it would mean that at any point of intersection, the compass would point towards two directions, which is not possible. So here if you see North Pole and South Pole, so origination is from North Pole to South Pole. This is outside. Inside it is from South Pole to North Pole. तो हम अभी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस के बारे में पूरा समझ गए हैं. तो कल I'll give you a few questions regarding this and I'll go with the straight and circular loop. Okay. Unacademy app you need to install. Go to my profile, follow me there so that you will get all the updates. So get subscription, VM CBSE. Okay, VM CBSE is my code. 10% instant reduction. Happy learning. And finally the goal is reached, A1. Okay. Okay, here 1 year, 2 years, 3 years का best of the best options हैं. Just go for it. So don't forget the universal truth. What is the universal truth? VM CBSE use करो, happy learning start करो और A1 लेके आओ. So every day I have special classes at 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. 1000 PYQs of NTSC चल रहा है. YouTube में भी every day 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. को. ओके, तो लेट्स क्रैक 9th एंड 10th CBSE का अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो और हिट द बेल आइकन फॉर ऑल द नोटिफिकेशंस. तो मेरे वीडियो सारे फॉलो करो. कम टू स्पेशल क्लासेस, देयर आल्सो आई एम गिविंग अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. जस्ट गो फॉर इट. So down in the description box you will find my links, all the playlist you will find everything. नीचे description box में feedback form भी है, just fill it. If you have any doubts, type in the chat box or comment section. Okay, so I'll just check those and I'll try to clarify your doubts. Okay, so जो भी doubts है, अगर फिर भी आपका doubts नहीं clear हो रहा तो आ जाओ स्पेशल क्लास में, वहाँ मिलते हैं. तो बहुत सारा क्लासेस, बहुत सारे अच्छे क्लासेस चल रहे हैं, पोल भी वगैरह वहाँ पे चल रहा है. ओके, सो कल ही मैंने क्विज़ेस वगैरह भी कंडक्ट किया था. सो जस्ट गो फॉर इट. सो आई वांट टू एंड द सेशन विथ कोट, माय फेवरेट कोट. स्टार्ट योर डे विद अ डिटर्मिनेशन एंड गो टू बेड विद अ सेटिस्फैक्शन दैट आज कुछ सीखा. 9 o'clock का क्लास है, सीख लिया अच्छी तरह से. चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर, गुड नाइट.